magazine. Yeah. The way I see this is it's an interesting device which probably is most misunderstood. We all seem to come in contact with it. We all seem to appreciate it. We all seem to feel great about it. But somewhere deep down, we all don't know whether we get enough out of it. Let me place two perspectives in front of you. As brands, what are we building? We're building a relationship. We want to land an idea. And it's about how well you land your idea on consumers that you feel relevant today and tomorrow. Now, if brands are going to be built on how we land ideas, I really think here's a medium which probably does that better than most. I did hear my friends discuss new mediums coming into play. I think somewhere, I don't think this funny little thing is going to go out of style. Yes, I'm an avid user of an iPad, and I try downloading Economist, which I read quite often. But for some strange reason, I've not been able to enjoy The Economist in the iPad version as much as I enjoyed in the physical version. I don't know if it's my quirk or whatever, but I think somewhere deep down, I didn't enjoy it. And as Indians, we behave very funnily. We like to do things slightly differently. And I think this device is going to stay. Some stuff that I felt was really interesting. Here's a creator for a hair remover. It's real experience brought alive. And they had this wonderful device by which they could show the entire wardrobe. This strange brand of bubblegum. As you opened the magazine, you had this whole pop-up coming out and the wonderful bubble, of course. I think there's enough and more that could be done in this space. This is a medium which is a wonderful storyteller. It's a serial. It's not an episode. So you kind of build a relationship over a period of time. It has huge impact. It has rich expression opportunities. You can have an intelligent conversation. Magazines for time immemorial have always left the reader slightly better off than where he was before. So there's an opportunity there for brands to, a whole lot of innovations which we saw. And there's an opportunity to change a generation. It is there. More than anything else, I think the huge opportunity to personalize communication to a select group, and I heard the various presentations earlier, but they covered different genres and said there's fragmentation. I don't know, there's fragmentation as much as, it being read by the right group. The research seems to indicate that the right kind of consumers are reading out and reaching out and reading the right kind of stuff. So I really think there's a brilliant opportunity here. There can't be a better friend for creative because this is a medium which allows us to express brilliantly. So there's great opportunity to differentiate, great opportunity to leave a very strong impact, and more than anything else, great opportunity to engage.